Ooh, nice. Oh, man. Look at that. That's the logo, man. Hi there. I'm here opening a gift from a friend of mine, Giovanni. He's been doing sublimation and now he's learning how to do screen printing. And he sent me 2 coffee mugs, one for me, one for wifey. Oh, nice. Nice. I like it. Whoa, hi, man. Friends, it's time to give away some ink. Good day to you and how you be, everybody. This is Jan Agosto here and welcome to another 2-minute quick tip Tuesday. Today we're giving out the inks. We're gonna go dive in to the videos that has sent with the hashtag TIB Road Challenge, which they came out real nice. I was expecting a little more, but this is good enough. I'm gonna give away 5, but since there was only 8 videos, you know what? I'm giving all 8 inks to all the videos, and that's what we're gonna dive in right now to go look at all these videos from all these creators, printers, doing a really good job so you can market your Instagram, because people love videos. When you're screen printing, gotta learn that. Gotta learn how to record and put some videos, not only pictures of shirts, but videos of the shirts being made. So let me put the 2 minutes on the board and let me see if we could beat that. So let's get started. Right now, let's click over here and let's see the first video. Oh, by the way, the last video I show, that will be my favorite. So let's start. Let's do this. Okay, the first video is from Then Sap. Follow him on Instagram. Check him out. Woo! An automatic machine. Love it. And a toy. Oh, man. It's a beautiful machine. One day I'll get that. Nice. Nice and crisp. Look at that. I'm alive. Look at the detail on the face. Oh man, the goggles, great job, Then Sap. Awesome, man, awesome. Next video is from Drip Print, real nice. Check them out right here. Oh, that's a nice press, cyclone. Oh, I like that. People clapping, the crowd, yeah, I love it. Look at that nice white print. Beautiful. Love it. I like that idea. It's a good idea with the crowd clapping. Awesome. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Go around. Check it out. Oh, earth. Ooh. Nice video, Drip Print. Okay, the next one is After Hours Fun. The video is nice, but let me tell you, go follow them on Instagram. Their artwork is unbelievable. Their artwork with the ghosts, with the Frankenstein, Dracula, oh man, beautiful, beautiful. When you have an artist that could draw and you could convert it into screen printing, you're on the money, because that is the way art. Some people do art and don't really go into screen printing, but all their art is right for screen printing, and that's why they are huge on Instagram. They have like, I think, 5,000 followers, because their prints and their art is on the money. So let's check them out. After Hours for Hotbox Ghost Tea. That's what it's called. Nice area there. Nice. Using the Legacy White Rolling with Logan. Showing you the screen. Putting it. Put the tape on. Nice. Oh, look at that image. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That was fun. Oh man, nice. So go to the Instagram and follow them, because their art is unbelievable. I just recently, because of this video, I noticed them. I start following them and I'm just shocked with their design and their print. Beautiful print. So the other one is a friend of mine that is Art by Matos. They are located in Orlando, Florida. I've been following them for quite a bit already, and let me tell you, they print a lot of nice little designs. They really go at it. They are hustlers. I gotta give it to them. Keep the hustle. Art by Matos, keep hustling, because you're doing a great job. So let's check out the video. Nice. Oh, look at that apron. I want an apron like that. Riley Q or Junior. Same exposure unit, same conveyor dryer that I have. Not exposure, just conveyor dryer that I have. Real nice. Fear, you know, I don't want to say that on YouTube right now what I mean, but love the design with the face mask, slow motion coming down in the box, beautiful, showing the print, showing the shirts you guys created. Oh, I like Hard by Matos. Keep it up, man. Keep on doing the great work. I always wanted to tell you guys that you guys are really hustling. Keep going. The next one we're gonna look at is from imprints.tt. Go follow them on Instagram, imprints.tt. Ooh, nice little glitch. Oh, nice. I like that glitch look. Nothing better than recording the stencil being washed out. You know, washing out the stencil. Look at that. Look how easy it just came out. Simple, nice. Nice print right there. Like it. Okay. Good one, Imprints. Follow them at imprints.tt. Good job. Okay, here's the other one. This one, love it, is from Pinpoint Graphics. Like it, like the way the print and the music he chose fit perfectly with what he's printing and doing the video. So let's check it out. Nice. I like the way he puts the tape on the top so it won't get no ink on. Nice one. Oh, nice. You see the beat changed right there with the words, and that's when you start seeing the graphic. Look at that. Nice, crisp. Nice, little nice and clean. Oh, he's doing the back too. What are you gonna put? Oh, it's gonna be an outline. Nice. Little outline on the back. Love the editing. Real nice. The M looks great. I like that M. Looks like a little ghost. Good job, Pinpoint Graphics. Look at that. Oh, beautiful job. Like it. Great music you chose. Makes the job look better. Now, the last two. Those are the two that I was just, which one is better? And the last one is my favorite one. But this one I'm going to show you was up there with my favorite. It was a hard decision. But let's check them out. This one is from Soda City Works. They not only screen print, what I noticed that they also do cars. They do these low riders. They detail, they paint. Check them out on their Instagram. They are pretty good. Like the way the video came out, the music they chose, it was on the money. I like it. So let's check them out. Oh, see, go ahead and start from the garage, right? Right there. Look at that opening. Oh, beautiful. Nice editing. Starting exposure unit. Nice. Washing it off. Oh, notice that? From outside he was washing automatically, so it was already on the press. Beautiful job. Awesome editing. Beautiful editing, Soda City Works. Beautiful. Love it. This was one of my favorites. And now here's the last one, which I really enjoy, and it comes from Sap Rear Workshop. Check them out. They're real nice. Check them out on Instagram. But this was a nice video, and he said this was his first edit of his work. And oh man, that was your first edit of your work. You're gonna be editing awesome, man, because look at this. Look at that transition. Palette. Look at those details. Nice. Coming from in, out. Beautiful. Another transition there. Placing the ink. Ooh, pixelation transition. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Nice little slow motion flood. Look at that. Nice print. Nice print. And I love it that he's using a heat gun. You don't need a conveyor dryer or hair fryer. But what is this he's doing? It's like he's separating it with that. Like, you know, you're taking out a pizza from the oven. Love that idea. I'm going to be looking at this a few more times to see what did he do to just peel off the shirt and bring it out like it's a pizza. Awesome job, Sap Rear Workshop. Love it. That was my favorite right there. Oh man, I love this. I'm going to be trying to do more of this because I love watching people being creative. putting videos out there. Photos are beautiful. Try to do a lot of photos, but also if you're marketing your business, you need to do videos, and that's why I want to start this to start it. Hopefully the next challenge I do, I will get a little more videos at it. But so far, I am grateful that I have 8. That's a lot of videos for the first time showing. Love it. People, keep doing it, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Get better and better and better. So I will DM you or give me your address, and I'm going to send you all the inks. I did 8 inks. I want to do 5, but since there was only 8, I'm sending all the 8 inks. And it's all sponsored by Screen Print Direct. These are the inks that we're giving out. They send us these inks to give away. So check screenprintdirect.com and check out the prices. The prices are really good. And the inks, let me tell you, I've been using their inks and good, nice and smooth, no problems. The opacity, great. Check out Screen Print Direct. And Screen Print Direct, thank you for sending us these ink so we all could try and all have fun with this. If you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful, stay safe, and peace out.